All right, everybody. Totally buenos dias. Welcome to another traveling Costa Rica vlog here on YouTube. Today we're in Guanacaste province of Costa Rica, and this is Playa Panama. See, look at this boat checking on the shore. He's looking for fish. He's looking for his fishies. Super nice beach here in Costa Rica, guys. So today we're going to be doing a little quick vid here, but then I think what we'll do is mostly drone. We'll do a big drone video because off in the distance there's so many nice beaches. That's the Papagayo Peninsula over there. Really high-end area. And then up around this hill here, there's a hotel going in there called the One and Only. So that's really cool. Playa Hermosa is on the other side of this. That's my favorite beach in Costa Rica. And there's tons of great beaches all around here too, on either end of these, end of Playa Panama here itself. And Playa Panama actually as well is having a bit of an expansion going on too. El Mangrove Resort is right here. And this, I don't know what this is. If you guys know what this place is right here, it looks like a condos, but it's often occupied. And there's something going in here called the Bahia Papagayo, really high-end resort kind of thing. And actually just over on the other side of that hill there, there's something going in called St. Regis. So it looks like there's some investment opportunities in the area for real estate. Now guys, before we begin the drone video, I'll put this on screen, a link to the Amazon store, where you can find this chair. I love this chair, I bring this around in Costa Rica. You can find this bag, securable backpack that I use while I'm traveling in Costa Rica. You can find the drone that we're going to be seeing some footage with right here. And of course the water shoes, guys. These water shoes are so amazing as I balance on one foot. They are so good. I love using them for the beach, and then I'll just go jump in the water. When we come back from the drone, we'll go step into the water and see how it feels, see if it's nice and cold. But before we do that, I'll show you guys on the map how to get here to Playa Panama from the Liberia International Airport. So we're starting off up in the northwest part of Costa Rica near the Liberia International Airport, where you'll get your rental car, airport transfer, or you can take a cab. The trip out to Playa Panama is about 15-20 minutes in good traffic conditions. There's Playa Panama from the top. We'll fly around a little bit. The beach down to the left is Playa Hermosa, which is my favorite beach in all of Costa Rica right there. And you can see the bay, which we will be seeing right now in the drone flight. Let's start off this one along the beach. You can see how calm the water is there, how blue it is. This is how Playa Panama is most of the time. You can also see it's pretty underdeveloped here. There's still a lot of trees, a lot of those mangroves. Here's a boat cruising through the bay. Fortunate to grab him on the drone. If you guys want to contact for a fishing charter that operates out of Playas del Coco, Playa Hermosa, and Playa Panama, leave me a comment down below and I can give you my good friend Andy. He operates out of these areas. And of course, there's a jet ski cruising through. Perfect timing, perfect timing. Now you'll see off on the right side, there's a pirate ship. Let's take a closer look at that. This pirate ship is a restaurant, and I was told previously in a comment that it was out for repairs. The engine was getting repaired, but it's operational now. Here's a little estuary dropping out of the mangroves into the ocean there. So those are pretty cool. You can see those on a lot of beaches in Costa Rica, the fresh water dropping off into the ocean. Oftentimes you'll find shallow water. Just watch out for the crocodillos. There's the beach from above, the Green Mountains off behind. Now off in the distance there, you can see there's some development going on. That's been going on for quite some time. It looks like there's progress being made every time I go through Playa Panama. And now we're heading south. So this is looking back towards Playa Hermosa. Now off on the right side there, there's some accommodations options. There's also a little hiking trail there with a really cool lookout. We have some videos there before. And then we'll pan across. The construction off on the left is supposedly the One and Only hotel. That's going to be a very expensive hotel. Here we are looking back towards kind of the north, back towards Liberia. Still very green. On a clear day from this elevation, you might be able to see the volcanoes off behind Liberia. And I managed to get a boat drifting off into the bay. Now off in the middle there on the right, that's the Marina Papagayo, Planet Hollywood. Right beside Planet Hollywood, there's a beach called Playa Iguanita, which is a really cool beach. And then off towards the left, there's the Andaz Resort, and you've got the Four Seasons area. There's a golf course up there as well. Now here we are back at El Mangrove, the resort which backs the beach itself here at Playa Panama. The road coming in there that's winding up in the middle of the screen around the back of the hill is actually the road that heads back towards the Liberia airport. So it's actually one of the closest beaches to the airport. Very cool if you're looking to just get off a plane and get into the beach. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed some of that drone footage from the area around here, seeing all the big hotels off there in Papagayo, all the resorts, some of the footage here in Playa Panama, and over in the surrounding beaches. Now, as we're walking down to the beach, guys, once again, I'll put on screen the link for the Amazon store. Check it out, buy some stuff there, help support the channel so we can get more equipment and maybe a better drone. Maybe we'll get a better drone. I don't know. We'll see. So water test, live water test. Let's see how it feels. Oh, yeah, I'm in it now. I'm in it now. Super clear. Look at how clear the water is here. So nice. Look at that. Can we see it with the glare? Perfect water. Nice swimming area right here. A lot of people getting picked up by boats I've seen while we've been here this morning. Awesome, guys. So in this video series, what we're going to be doing is actually driving out to the Caribbean side. I'd like to see at the same time period, like the Caribbean side and the Pacific side here. I thought Playa Panama is a good place to start. So if you guys enjoyed that video, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Leave me a question with your comments, feedback, requests. There's a big doggo right there. He's got a life jacket on. That's smart. That's very smart. Look at this. We got a Rambo wannabe. I don't know what's going on here. So guys, you can come down to this beach and do cardio, evidently. If you're interested in doing cardio, you're just hot dogging. You're just hot dogging. Whatever. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching. Bye now.